Hello guys, so today it's been a while that we don't have vlog, but today's vlog guys, we have the new product from Insta360 X4. Yeah, so this is a quick unboxing and we'll check the product guys, what's inside the box of this new Insta360 X4. So without further ado, let's start to unbox this Insta360 X4. Actually, this is a demo unit from us, so if you want to check this device or X4, you can come visit us here in AB World Symphony showroom or Megastore showroom. So again guys, without further ado, let's start unbox now this Insta360 X4. So on the side, you'll see here all the specs. It's 8K. What's new? Again, this is 8K compared for the X3, which is 5.7K. Huh? So what's inside the box here? It's already written. Quest the X4, and you have the protective lens cover, USB-C to USB-C for charging. I think this is pouch, yeah. Then manual. So let's go, and again you will use same application, which is Insta360. Um, so if you want to scan the application, you can scan here. This is the device itself. I have comparison the size of X3 already with this X4. Yeah, and of course this is the accessories. Yeah. So now the box of X4, they make it square, not uh, tall type, square type. Okay. So Insta360 app, same application, and yeah, your manual, video tutorial, already there. Think bold. Okay, this is accessories. You have again your lens cover, and I think the manual itself here. Yeah. Okay, so this is the pouch. I like the pouch that they made now compared for the X3. The X3 is there's a totally a pouch, half pouch I think, half of this without the zipper, but I like this one. So yun. You have already your back cover with the logo Insta360 X4. It's also very useful for the back. You have the USB-C or USB-C and microfiber cloth. So again guys, this is the detachable um, lens protection or protective lens. So compare for the X3, you need to purchase separately, but now in the X4, you can, I believe that you can twist. Yeah, then twist. It's very easy. You see this blue dot, this point here, then yeah, I'll show you the other one. Yeah, there's a blue dot here facing this area, then close. And voila, you have a protective lens. So it depends on you guys if you want to use or not. At least you have already the free protective lens cover. So yeah guys, this is a quick unboxing. So in the next vlog, I will show you the quality of this new Insta360 X4. And yeah, let's see how's the quality compare for the X3. And we will try to compare also the X3 and X4. So yan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Ayan, if you want to check the price and availability of the X4, you can visit our website, www.abworld.com. Or if you want to test the product, we have a demo unit. This is a demo unit. You can come here in Megastore Symphony showroom and test the Insta360 X4. If you want to, you have to save the video. You can bring your memory card SD or yeah. Again, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, Insta360 X4 or any Insta360 product, you can check to our website, www.abworld.com. Hanggang dito na lang, guys. Flex time. Thank you kay Ajit for behind the camera. Si Pinso nandito sa gilid. Yan. At yung nasa likod doon. Thank you and mabuhay.